How to build end-to-end customer onboarding in Zapier. You're going to create a Zap that grabs a new customer from Airtable, spins up an onboarding task in Asana, and pings your team in Slack, all without touching a thing. Let's jump in. Head over to Zapier.com and sign in. Once your dashboard loads, I'd pop into My Apps real quick. Click the left sidebar right there. I've already connected Airtable, Asana, and Slack. If any of yours are missing, add the connection now. Authorize it. It'll save you a headache in a minute. Now hit that Create button in the upper left, choose Zaps, and let the editor open. It drops you straight into the trigger step. Click the trigger box, search for Airtable, select it. For the trigger event, pick New Record and click Continue. Choose your connected Airtable account. I'll grab mine. Then pick your base. I'm in my client onboarding base. Now select the customers table and click Continue. This is the table every new signup lands in. The moment a row shows up here, Zapier fires. Click Test Trigger. Zapier pulls in a sample record. You'll see the fields from your table: customer name, email, phone, company, product, account manager, start date, status. Take a second to verify it's pulling what you expect. If an empty panel stares back at you, your customer's table might not have any rows yet. I keep a few dummy entries, so I've got data here. When you're satisfied, click Continue with selected record. Now add the Asana action. Click the plus button under the trigger, search for Asana, select it, choose Create Task, and click Continue. Pick your Asana account, then the workspace. I'm using my main one. Next, select your project. I keep a dedicated customer onboarding project just for these tasks, so nothing gets mixed in with other work. Now we configure the task. The task name is where it pays to be specific. I'll type onboard, then insert the customer name field from Airtable, a dash, then the company field. That gives you something like onboard Jane Doe Acme Corp. You can tell who it is at a glance. In the description, I'll map the product, account manager, and start date. That way the team opens the task and sees everything they need. Click Continue when you're set. Test the Asana step. Click Test Step. Zapier creates the task in the background. Let's confirm it. Open Asana, go to that customer onboarding project. There's the new task with the name and description exactly as mapped. Spot check the details. If you want, you can assign a default team member here later. I'll leave it blank for now. Back in Zapier, add the Slack action. Click the plus under Asana, search for Slack, select Send Channel Message, click Continue, pick your Slack account, then choose the channel. I've got a hashtag customer onboarding channel just for these alerts. Channel name is niche, but it keeps the noise down. Now build the message. I'll start with a quick header, new onboarding ready, then pull in the customer name and company from Airtable. I'll also drop in the product and the account manager. The team needs to know who's on point. Add the start date if you want to flag urgency. I avoid trying to link the Asana task directly here. That's a few extra steps. A clean readable alert gets the job done. Click Continue. Test the Slack action. Click Test Step. Zapier fires the message. Flip over to Slack, open the hashtag customer onboarding channel. There's the notification with the customer details, name, company, product, manager. If it looks right, you're solid. Before publishing, take 30 seconds to review. Click through each step. Confirm Airtable's trigger is new record. The correct base and table are selected. The Asana project is the dedicated onboarding one, and Slack is posting to the right channel. I always scan the field mappings one more time here. That's where a stale mapping breaks things later. This is the quickest way to catch a mismatch. Now name your Zap. I'll call it End-to-End Customer Onboarding. Click Publish. Your automation is live. Let's run a real test. Go to your Airtable Customers table, add a brand new row. Fill in a dummy name, email, company, product, start date. Give Zapier a minute or two. Open your Zap's task history. You'll see it picked up the record. Then open Asana and Slack. The task appears in your onboarding project and the Slack message hits the channel. The customer name, company, and product should match across all three. If they do, you're done. Couple things to keep things smooth now that it's running. Zap history is your friend. If a task ever fails, open history, find the error, and remap the offending field. I've had a silent failure because I renamed a column in Airtable and forgot to update the Zap. History caught it. Also, if you want to loop in the account manager directly, add another action after Slack. Click the plus, search for Gmail or Outlook, choose Send Email, and map the to field to the account manager email from Airtable. That way they get a personal ping. Takes 2 minutes. And if you ever onboard a batch of customers at once, just load them into Airtable and Zapier processes them one by one. No extra configuration needed. If this got your onboarding automated, hit like and subscribe so it helps somebody else find it. And leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.